Doug, we're still there in London. You are a little potato. We still love you so much. But
if you want to read tonight, you need to go to bed.
Let me show you. What's my dog over there? Lunjon. She's the black figure. You see? Let me show you what she did. So here, well, this thing is fuzzy. It's weird. Let me show you. Let me get into light, and it might be hard to see. I don't like that blueness over there. Yay! This is better. Let me show you everything. You know what? Let me show you one way. This isn't gonna work. Scratch. 1 second, we'll be back. Better HD right here. Okay, you can barely see the other one. I switched over to a different phone. Yay. This is see a lot better. So, yeah. This. And what my dog did. My little London scratched me. But we still love her. Heck yeah. I took a picture of that. Oh, I'm upside down. But yep, she scratched me and it hurts. And yeah, she pimples, disgustingness. And she scratched me. We still love her. Right, London? You want the pet? There she is. She's a jerk.